How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Quick fix 2026. Script. Are your voice messages not working on WhatsApp? Here are the most common fixes. Step 1. Check microphone permission. Open phone settings. Tap apps, WhatsApp permissions. Make sure microphone is enabled. Without microphone access, voice messages will not record. Step 2. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your connection is stable. Voice messages may fail to send or download with a weak connection. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary bugs affecting audio recording. Step 4. Update WhatsApp. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Search WhatsApp. Tap Update if available. Updates often fix voice message errors. Step 5. Check storage space. Go to Phone Settings, Storage. Make sure you have free space available. Low storage can stop voice messages from saving. If voice stops while listening, if the audio stops when you move the phone near your ear, clean the proximity sensor area, top front of the phone. Final summary. Enable microphone. Check internet. Update WhatsApp. Free storage. Restart phone. These fixes solve most WhatsApp voice message problems.